Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'll show you how easily and quickly you can create AI-generated Elementor websites. So we are going to use an AI tool to create an entire website using the Elementor page builder. Let me show you an example of the AI-generated website that I have created using Elementor. This is a sample website for the driving school. At the top, we have this header section. Then we have banner, and on the banner we have some content and call to action button. Then we have some information about the business, and these are the services which we are going to offer on the driving school website. Then we have call to action button. Then we have some information about why choose us, and we have some testimonials also. Below that we have call to action and the footer section. So all these sections on the home page are created automatically, and the other pages are also created. If I go to contact, you will see the contact page is also created, and we also have a contact form there. This is call to action again. And if I go to blog, the blog is also created, and there are some sample blog posts also generated automatically. If I go to services, this is the list of services that we can offer, and again we can customize the content on all the pages easily using Elementor. So if I want to change the services, I can simply go to edit with Elementor and I can change the content on that page. Let me show you another example of the AI generated website. This is a sample website for solar installation services. At the top we have a banner, then we have some information, services, then testimonials and the footer section. While creating AI generated websites, you will see an option to select the images that you want to be shown on the website. You will also get different layouts and templates to select from. So according to your requirement, you can select the colors and the template for the AI generated website. And these AI generated websites will be created using Astra theme. So it is very easy to customize the header section, footer section and different layouts using the Astra theme. I'll show you how to customize header and footer section. And the tool that I'm going to use to create AI generated website is ZipWP. Create stunning WordPress website in 60 seconds with AI. I'll show you how you can create the entire website within minutes using the ZipWP platform. Let me show you the pricing of ZipWP. There are 3 different plans. The first plan is pay per use, which is going to cost you only $79, in which you can create up to 5 AI generated websites, and these are the AI credits, and you will get access to premium designs. I'll show you different premium designs and how it works. And the second plan is Pro, which I'm currently using. If you are a freelancer or website designer, then you should go for the Pro plan, in which you can create up to 5 AI generated websites every day. It's not only 5, you can create 5 AI generated websites every day for a year. Annual billing for this plan is only $199, and these are the AI credits, 20,000 every month. You will get access to premium designs and 15 days site validity. Within that, you can create your entire website. Once the website is ready, you can migrate that website to your own hosting server, or you can download the website to your computer. You will see professional tools, instant WordPress test site, 10 staging sites, 10 GB disk space and 5 blueprint sites. The third plan is a business plan, which will cost you $399 per year, in which you can create 10 AI generated websites every day, 30 days site validity and 100,000 AI credits monthly, and you will get access to premium designs, and all these features will be available in this plan. So currently I'm using ZipWP Pro plan, in which I can create 5 AI generated websites every day. And in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process, how you can create an AI generated website in Elementor. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the ZipWP dashboard, and I'm using ZipWP Pro plan. You can see that I have already created one AI generated website, and I can create up to 5 AI generated websites every day. I can have up to 10 staging websites and 5 blueprint websites. And this is the disk space. I can use up to 10 GB. Now I'll show you how easily and quickly you can create AI generated website in Elementor. So in the left hand panel, you will see the option. You can create complete website. If you want to try themes and plugin, or if you want to experiment on WordPress, then you can create a blank WordPress website. Then you can play with the themes and plugins. Blueprint, you can also create a blueprint website. A blueprint is a snapshot of your existing website so that it can be easily replicated. So you can create a blueprint and you can use that blueprint to create new website. And here you will see all the projects. All right, so we are going to create a complete website. So you can click on complete website here, or you can click here, create new, create a blank website or complete website. So I'm going to click on complete website. Now it says, let's build your website. Please share some basic details of the website. So here you can enter the name of your website. So I'm going to name the website. Let's say I'm going to create a website for a driving school. So this is going to be the name of the website. According to your website requirement, you can enter the name, and it is asking you this website is for, and you will say a drop down. Is it for agency, restaurant, entrepreneur, events, non-profit, local business, gym, spa, SaaS, or dentist? So I'm going to select local business, and here you will see the language. If I click on drop down, you will see different languages to choose from. So you can select the language. I'm going to select English and click next. Now it is asking you to describe or give some more information about the website that you want to create. Please be as descriptive as you can. Share details such as services, products, goal, etc. So I have already created some information. This is the information. I want to create a website for a driving school. The website should have pages for home, about us, services, contact, and blog, and some other information about the website that I want to create. Here you will see an option, improve using AI. So if I click on it, it will go through that description and it will revise it. So it says Param Driving School is a local driving education provider located in community service area dedicated to teaching both teens and adults essential driving skills. So this is the information that is generated using AI. If you want to customize it, you can customize it, or you can also add more information apart from the AI generated information. So I have added this information here and click next. Now here it says, how can people get in touch with Param Driving School? So we need to enter some information about the business. So first thing is email address. I'm going to enter some email address. Phone number, let's add a phone number for that particular business, and this information will be shown on the website. And this is going to be the address. So I'm going to add some dummy address here. Let's say New York, USA. Below that we have social media links. So we can add social media links. I have selected Facebook. Let's add the Facebook link. Let's select Twitter, and let's add the Twitter link also. Let's select YouTube. So I'm going to add YouTube link also. So these are the social media links and the contact information. Click next. Now it says select the images. So you will see some images are generated for the driving school. So if you are creating a website for any other local business, then it will show the images for that business. So I'm going to select some images from this list. Let's add some images, and these images will be used on the website. All right, so I have selected 16 images. If you want to upload your own images, you will see an option here, upload your images. You can upload your own images. All right, and these are the selected images. Click next. Okay, so you will now see some layouts are created, and at the top you will see the block editor or the page builder that you want to use. In this case, we are going to use Elementor. So if I click on the drop down, you will see Elementor. And now it is going to use the Elementor to create the website. So we can easily customize the website using the Elementor page builder. So basically it is going to create a website using the Elementor page builder, and you will see some sample layouts are there. If you want to see the preview, you can simply click on this option and it will show you the preview of the website. This is how the website will look. Now this is going to be the layout only. You can customize the layout and you can add your own content there. Let's try this one. This layout also looks good. We have call to action, testimonials, some information about the services, then some information. At the top we have the hero section or the banner. So let's try this one. Let's close this one and we're going to select this layout. If I click on this I button, you will see what is included. We will get home page, about page, services, blog and contact page, and the plugins included will be Elementor and Sure Forms. This is the contact form plugins. Alright, so I'm going to select this one, and now you will see the option to select the font and the color. So you will see different fonts are there. If you want to change the font, you can change the font style. Alright, let's try this one. And below that we have color palette, so we can change the colors. The colors looks good. If you want to use dark mode, you can also use dark mode, dark colors. Here you will see refresh option. If I click on refresh, it will go back to the first color palette. So this one looks good. All right, so I'm going to select this option here. Below that you will see responsive preview. This is how it will look on tablet, and this is how it will look on the mobile devices. All right, so select this one and click continue. Now, which features you want to include on the website? The blog feature is already included. Page builder is Elementor. Contact form plugin is also selected, and SMTP plugin will also be included. Apart from that, if you want to add e-commerce, then you can select this option, and it is going to install the Sure Cards plugin. For the appointment and bookings, it is going to install another plugin, and for the automation and integration, it is going to install Sure Triggers plugin. So that is an automation plugin for the WordPress. I have published many videos on how to use Sure Triggers. I'll give you the links in the description box if you want to know what is Sure Triggers. So if you want to add e-commerce, automation or appointment booking, then you can select those options and then click on start building. Now this is the summary, this is the business name, business description, and these are the contact details for the website. Click on start building the website. Now it is going to take around a minute to create a website. Alright, so I think it is less than 1 minute, and within a minute it has created a website. This is going to be the URL of your website. This is the username and password. Let's click on it. And this is how the website will look. This is the home page. At the top we have the header section. This is the title of the website. You can replace the title with the logo. This is the menu, and this is a call to action button. Then we have banner, some information. These are the services, call to action, and why choose us, testimonials, and call to action at the bottom. And this is the footer section. We have scroll to top button also. If I go to contact, the contact page is also created automatically. We can customize it and we can add our own information there. Here we have the contact form. All right, so the name does not show. We can customize it and make it look better. Then we have blog section. The blog posts are also created automatically, and this is the blog page. So everything looks good to me. If I go to services, it will show the services. We can customize it and we can add our own services there. So within a minute, the entire website is ready. Now let's go back and let's go to dashboard. So this is the WordPress dashboard. If I go to appearance, you will see the theme is Astra. So this is the theme which is used to create the website. And I have published many videos on how to use Astra theme, how you can customize your entire website using the free Astra theme. So if you want to customize the header section or the footer section on the website, you can easily customize it using Astra theme. Let's go back and let's go to plugins here. And you will see these plugins are installed. This is the free Elementor plugin. Then we have Sure Forms, which is used to create a contact form. And this is Sure Mail, which is SMTP plugin. Apart from that, we have 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 anti-spam and 𝗟𝗚𝗚𝗞𝗘, which is not activated. In future, if you want to add more plugins, you can add new plugins from here. In the left hand panel, you will see Astra. Click on it. And this is the Astra dashboard. If you want to customize header, you can go to header builder. If you want to customize footer, you can go to footer builder. Then we have typography, button, menus, layout, blog options, and color. So here, if I go to blog, this is the layout of the blog. We have 3-column layout. If you want to customize it, you can customize it using blog options. Below that, you will see Astra Pro model. Using the free Astra theme, you can definitely customize the website. However, there will be some limitations. If you want all features and all modules, then you can go for Astra Pro plugin. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to go for Astra Pro plugin, you can use my link. The Astra Pro plugin, you will see all these modules are available. Now let's see how we can customize the header section. So let's go to header builder. And we are on the header builder. What do we have in the header? This is the header section, and you will see it here. This is the main header section. If you want to add above header section, this is where you can add above header, and this is the below header section, and this is the main header section. In the main header section, we have site title and logo. Then we have primary menu, which is nothing but this option, and this is a button. Now let's say I want to customize this button, so I can click on button here, and you will see the settings for the button. It says get started. I want to change it. Let's name it as call now, and here you will see link. So instead of link, I'm going to use phone number. So when someone clicks on it, it is going to dial the phone number from the mobile device. So it is very easy to customize the header section. If I want to change the background color of this entire header section, I can select this section and go to design, and from here I can change the background color like this. This is the logo section. So if I click on it, it will show you the logo section. Currently it is using the title of the website. You can replace it with the logo. So here you can upload your own logo and disable the site title. So it is going to show the logo only. Once you are done with the changes, you can simply click on publish, and it will show those changes on the website. Let's say if I refresh it, you will see the change in the color now, and this is the new button now. So using the Astra theme, you can easily customize the website. Let's go back. Below the header builder, you will see footer builder. If you want to customize footer, go to footer builder, and from here you can customize the footer of the website. Here you will see some features available for the Astra Pro plugin. Let's go back and let's go to blog, and let's go to blog archive, and this is what we have here, the blog archive. If I go here, this is the blog layout, and from here you can change the layout. Here you will see layout, which is a grid, and we are using 3 columns. What do we have? Featured image, title, post meta, excerpt, and grid mode. So this is how it will look here. If you want to change the layout, you can change it from here. Let's go to design. Here you will see the design of this blog. So using the Astra theme, you can customize the layout. Similarly, you can customize the single post layout also. If I go to any one of these blog posts, you will see the layout for the blog post. This is how it looks. So if you want to customize it, you can customize the single post template also. Let's go to single post, and let's use the layout. Let's use this normal one. Current layout looks very narrow, so let's use full width. If you want to add sidebar, you can also add sidebar. Content width. All right, and you can also change the color settings. Let's click on publish, and let's refresh this one, and you will see the changes here. So one by one, you can go through all these options and customize your website using Astra. Now let's go to home page of the website, and let's see how we can customize the home page. As we are using Elementor as a page builder, at the top you will see the option edit with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. Now we are on the home page, and we can change the content on the home page. Let's close this one. This is the structure of the home page. Let's close this one. So at the top we have this banner section. If I click on this entire section, and if I go to style, you will see the background image which is used here as a background. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here. Simply click on it and select image from the media or upload a new image. This is the title. If you want to change it, you can simply click on it, and in the left hand panel you will see an option to customize the title. Similarly, you can go to this title and change the content if required. This is the button, click on it and you can customize the button from here. It shows get started and this is the link to this button. So if you want to customize any content on the website, you simply need to click on that content and in the left hand panel you will see an option to customize it. For example, this is an icon box and if I want to change the icon or content, I can simply click on it and from here I can change the content. So this is the icon and this is the title, you will see it here, and this is the description, 5-star service. And if you want to change the style settings or the color settings, at the top you will see the option, click on it and from here you can change the style settings. For example, this is for the content. I want to change the color of the content. So if I change the color, you will see the change in the color. Let's try this one also. Let's change it to this color. So you will see the change in the color. So all the style settings are also available in the left hand panel. And this is the content. If I go to this image, I want to change it, I can simply click on it and change the image from here. Similarly for the content. So it is very easy to customize a website using Elementor Page Builder. I have published many videos on how to use Elementor Page Builder. I'll give you the links in the description box if you want to learn more about Elementor. I have an entire playlist on Elementor tutorials. Here, these are the services. If you want to change the services, you can change the services according to your website requirement. Below that, we have call to action. Again, you can change everything from here. Let's select this section. Let's go to style settings. This is the background image. Let's change that background image. Let's try this one. And you will see the change in the image. So this is how you can change the image on the website. Then we have why choose us. This is a 3-column section. And these are the testimonials. So if I want to change, I can simply click on it and change the content from here. Once you are done with the changes to the home page, let's click on publish. And let's go to view page and you will see the changes. You will see this is the color that we changed. If I scroll down, you will see the image that we changed. Similarly, you can go to contact page and if you want to change any information on the contact page, go to edit with Elementor and change the content on the contact page. So we have phone number, email address, physical address and social media icons. This is the contact form. If I click on it, you will see it is using Sure Forms plugin to create a contact form. So if I want to change this contact form, I can go to dashboard, go to Sure Forms. This is the dashboard of the Sure Forms. Under that you will see forms and this is the form which is used. So I can go to edit form and I can customize the form from here. Let's change the background color so that it will look nice. Alright, so this is going to be the background color. So on this contact form, we have full name, email address, subject and message. So I'm going to use this contact form. Let's save it. We have just changed the background color. And if I go to contact page, now you will see the new background color. Now let's go back and let's go to dashboard again and go to pages. You will see all these pages are already created automatically. If you want to add more pages, you can go to add page and create a new page. If I go to post, there are 3 sample posts which are already created for the blog. You can delete all these and you can add your own blog post there. So this AI generated website is very easy to customize using Elementor Page Builder. If you are a freelancer or website designer, you can create up to 5 AI generated websites every day. Once the website is ready, you can download the website and save it on your computer, or you can migrate the website to the client server, or you can migrate it to your own server. There are many free plugins which you can use, for example, Updraft Plus, or you can also use a backup migration plugin, and the annual pricing of ZipWP Pro is only $199, in which you can create 5 AI generated websites every day. So if you want to go for ZipWP paid plan, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.